Would you dare to accept a free Mercedes S450 like this?
Can't take it.
Flooded car. Even dogs shake their heads at it, but when Captain Lou sees it, it's bound to turn water into wealth. First, take apart the interior completely to see what's going on. The situation is, this is a judicial auction car that the owner bought blindly. Seeing the condition of this car, Captain Lou couldn't help but sing, "I dare not open my eyes," hoping it's just my imagination. The owner said, "Too many parts need replacing, might as well change the car. So, I hope Captain Lou can repair as much as possible and reduce part replacements." When others drive cars, he sails a boat. I wonder how many meals the car owner had to skip to swallow such a big loss for not repaying the money. The paper soundproofing inside the car also needs to be reapplied. Once that's done, we start dealing with the most troublesome wiring issues. Kneel directly to the chief supervisor. Good news, the power is on. Bad news, the instrument panel has no response. It turns out the CAN bus power line has a poor connection. After repairs, it starts, but it stalls again in less than 2 seconds because the airbag module is damaged by water. Inspection completed, started normally. But attentive car enthusiasts will notice the right screen won't light up because there are still many wiring issues unresolved, so the director knelt down to fix it for a while. Next is cutting the leather and redoing the interior covering. The car owner said he wanted to change the interior color because the original color reminds him of a bad memory. Car enthusiasts who have watched this far are definitely loyal fans, so I must tell you some bad news. You won't see engine repairs in this video. This car was flooded but not submerged, so after Captain Yu's inspection, the engine was found to be intact, saving the owner a significant amount of money. Assembly complete. Let's first check if all functions are restored.
You could say it's perfect.
Since the original car had a protective film, the paint surface is well preserved, so there's no need to repaint. Just maintain the film, and it will look as shiny as new. First, give the car a simple wash. The contrast is very obvious. By the way, a reminder to car owners with car wraps, like car paint, car wraps also need regular maintenance.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.